What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a Ford Explorer. I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2014 Ford Explorer in this video, but it will be the same on several different years. So taking a look at the key fob for our Explorer, this top button here that says 2X, that's going to be the remote start button. And we're going to take a look at how to actually remote start the vehicle, but the first thing we're going to look at is in the vehicle how we can turn the remote start on or off and adjust the duration. So with the vehicle either on or running, we're going to come over here and I'll be using these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. The first thing I'm going to do is hit this left button here. And then if you're not already there, that'll take us out to our home screen. Once we're on the home screen, I'm going to use these buttons to scroll down and keep scrolling down until we get to settings. Once settings is highlighted, I'm going to press OK. That's going to take us to this screen. From this screen, I'm going to scroll up or down until vehicle is highlighted, then press OK. That's going to take us to this screen. Once I'm on the vehicle screen, I'm going to use the buttons to scroll down and keep scrolling down until we get to remote start. Once remote start is highlighted, I'll press OK. That's going to take us into the remote start screen. Now you can see here, once we're on the remote start screen, if we use those same buttons to scroll down until system is highlighted, with that check mark next to system, that means that the remote start is on. If we press that OK button, it'll turn it off, so you can see it's off there. Now let me turn it back on. Then I'm going to use those same buttons to scroll up till duration is highlighted, press OK, and this is where you can pick your duration, 5, 10, or 15 minutes. This is set at 10 minutes. I'm just going to leave it at that. So once we have that set, if we want to back out, we can just keep hitting this button, and that'll take us back out to our home screen. And then in the next shot, we'll take a look at how to actually use our remote start. So to actually use the remote start, what we're going to do is press the lock button and then immediately press that remote start button twice. The vehicle will respond by flashing its lights and then starting. The Explorer will run for the amount of time that we looked at in the previous shot, whether it's the 5, 10, or 15 minutes. If we want to extend the run time, we'll repeat that first step. Press the lock button, hit the remote start button twice, and then from that point, it will extend it another 5, 10, or 15 minutes, whichever your vehicle is set to. If we want to turn the vehicle off or cancel the remote start before we've gotten in it, we'll just press the remote start button one time. That'll turn our vehicle off. Let's go ahead and remote start it again. And then once the vehicle is remote started, in order to drive, we'll need to get in. And then just as we normally would, press the brake, stop, start button, and now you're ready to drive as normal. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.